Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can type @ using your keyboard. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So to do it, normally you have to find 2 on your keyboard. You will see a complete row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. So you have to find the 2 and then you have to hold the shift button on your keyboard and press that 2. That's it. Here you can see that this is the @. So if I press the 2 button, it will write 2, and if I hold the shift button and press the 2 button, it will turn into @. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.